Welcome. If Roblox isn't working on your PC after the new update, don't worry. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix it. First, try closing the app completely and reopening it. Sometimes this simple action can resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, log out and log back in. In the left side menu, click on More, then select Log Out. Confirm the action, then sign back in using your username and password. A fresh login can often clear up issues. Next, consider restarting your device. Press the Windows icon, click the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait about 30 seconds before turning your PC back on. A quick reboot can refresh your system and help resolve any problems. If you're still having trouble, try connecting to a different network. Click the network icon in the notifications area and switch to another connection. This can help if your current network is causing issues. It's also a good idea to check your internet connection. Again, click the network icon in the notifications area to verify that you're connected properly. If none of these steps work, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app. Press the Windows icon, type Uninstall App, and find Roblox in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm this action, then visit roblox.com/download to reinstall the app. Click Download for Windows, and it will take you to the Microsoft Store page. Finally, click Install to get Roblox running again. Give these steps a try, and you'll be back to gaming in no time.